Business escrow agreements. This is something I covered in a short here on this channel that you probably have already seen, will be seeing soon, or you can go back in the library and see. But beyond that, I wanted to go a little deeper on these escrow arrangements and how they can be such a powerful business tool. The basic concept is simple. You have an escrow agent hold the money, and then you have certain contractual provisions about how that money goes in and out of escrow. So the money is there. It's already funded. It's waiting to figure out which party it goes to. In the case of an M&A deal, we might see an escrow where the seller has a certain portion of that sales price they are to receive that's held up in escrow. The buyer is making sure the seller complies with the terms and conditions and there were no hidden defects with the company, with that escrow money to go out on a certain predetermined schedule. That is a very powerful tool for both sides. The seller knows the money's there. They know if they're a good person and they comply with the contract that they're going to get their money. And the buyer has some protection against what may come up unforeseen if the seller hid something, or maybe the seller innocently didn't even know there was a problem with the company. A very powerful tool. You can use this in other arrangements as well. It builds trust. It enforces a system of trust. Rather than just saying the money will be there, the money can actually seem to be there. Now, it gets a little complicated with the escrow agent. This is something that always has to be thought about. That escrow agent is going to want to be paid to be served, and they're going to protect themselves. They don't want to get caught in the middle of this fight, so they generally have very precise rules on how they send the money out. If your lawyer has experience with escrow agreements, they'll understand the positioning of the escrow agent, and they'll be thinking about how to build the contract to make the escrow agent's job easy and protect you as a party to the escrow agreement. So this can be a really powerful tool. It can really protect people, and it's something you may want to consider in your upcoming transactions. If you have questions that are general in nature, go ahead and drop them below. But remember, questions on a channel like this are not confidential. Other people may see them, so don't put anything there you don't want other people seeing. And I hope you subscribe to the channel so we can talk together again soon.